Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk to you about we live in a voice-activated world. Yes, the natural world is voice-activated. So stand by. So what the heck does it mean we live in a voice-activated world? Let me explain it to you. There are two worlds actually that we live in. We live in a spirit world on one side, then we live over here in the natural world on the other. The natural world is the world that we experience with our natural senses. You see it, you hear it, you feel it, you taste it, and you smell it. That's it. That's the natural world. Now in the natural world, everything is matter, and matter obeys words. Write that down. Matter obeys words, and we live in a voice-activated world. Everything happens first in the invisible world, the spiritual world. So we got two worlds, matter, and over here we got spirit. Over here we got I am becoming, and over here we have I am. Over here we have things that are in need in the natural, and in the spirit we have no needs. Everything is whole. Over here we have in the natural, everything is based on time, and in the spirit realm, it's not time-based. In the natural world, everything is becoming. It's becoming. The spirit world, it already is. So I am becoming. Need, not need, no need. So, what does all this have to do with being voice activated? Well, things happen in the spirit realm first. And if you study quantum physics, which I don't recommend you do, I don't study it either, but I have read a couple of simple books about it. It's very, very interesting. But quantum physics is the study of particles. Protons, neutrons, electrons, those were the particles that existed when I took chemistry in high school many, many years ago. But they've discovered a whole lot of other particles since then. And here's what I learned from reading a simple book about physics, quantum physics. The physicists, the scientists know, and they prove it with mathematics, that in the quantum realm, everything is a possibility. This is spoken about in the scriptures. The scriptures say, with God, all things are possible. The scientists, the physicists say, all things are possible at the quantum level. They call it a wave function. No particles, but everything has waves. It's a wave function. And here's what else they say. They say if we expect to see something and we look for it, let's say we look for it over here, that possibility manifests itself in time and space. That particle is manifested, they see it, they measure it, and then something else interesting happens. All the other possibilities collapse. So once there's an observer, the particle manifests in time and space. And the quantum physicists actually call that the observer effect. It's real simple. You look for it and you're gonna get it over there. Here's another spiritual principle. See, there's spiritual principles that we need to understand because we live in both worlds. And I don't know if you're a person of faith or a believer or not, it doesn't matter, but all this stuff is in the scriptures. You go study it on your own, but in Job 28:22, it says, declare and decree a thing, and it will be established for you, and light will shine on your path. Mark, I think this is Mark, I don't know what chapter it is. Sorry, I don't know, I should. But in the book of Mark, the Lord says, when you pray, believe that you have received And if you believe that you have already received it, it will be done for you. So we have a responsibility. We sort of co-create stuff with God. We got to look at stuff. We got to think about stuff. We got to talk about stuff. And you got to be very, very careful because the world we live in is voice activated. I've got a lot more to say about this in the next few videos, so stay tuned. I hope this helped you. Have a great day and be blessed.